Hello, little bees. Tonight, we are going to become sleepy dragons. Not loud dragons, not scary dragons, sleepy dragons, gentle dragons. The kind of dragons who love cozy blankets and bedtime stories. So get comfortable and let's begin. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Fill your tummy like a balloon. Ready? Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Now breathe out slowly through your mouth. Like a sleepy dragon. Wonderful. Let's do it again. Breathe in slowly. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out. Very good. Imagine a little dragon sitting beside you. A dragon is fluffy, friendly, and very sleepy. The dragon is getting ready for bed. But first, the dragon takes some calming breaths. Let's breathe together. Breathe in slowly. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out. Good job. Each dragon breath makes your body feel softer, calmer, sleepier. Take another dragon breath. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out. Wonderful. Now imagine your worries are tiny dragon bubbles. Every time you breathe out, a bubble floats away. A worry about today. A worry about tomorrow. A frustration. A sad feeling. Away they go, floating higher and higher into the night sky until they disappear. Take another dragon breath. Breathe in slowly and breathe out gently. Your shoulders relax. Your arms relax. Your legs relax. Your whole body relaxes. The sleepy dragon beside you yawns. A very big dragon yawn. You yawn too. The dragon curls up into a cozy ball. A curl up under your blanket. The dragon closes its eyes. You can close your eyes too. Everything feels calm. Everything feels peaceful. Everything feels sleepy. Take one final dragon breath. Breathe in slowly and breathe out gently. Good night, little Bellybee. Sleep well. Dream sweet dreams. And remember, you are brave, you are loved, and you are safe. Good night.